Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on how I package or pick the things that sell on Poshmark. So pretty much how I package my sales on Poshmark. In a previous video, I'll show you guys my system for organizing my items as I put them into my inventory. As I organize them by bin, I organize them by number in each bin, etc. If you've ever been to my Poshmark closet, you'll see that the title on every item has a B followed by 2 to 4 numbers. That is the bin number and then number that it is in the bin. So once the label prints, what I do is I write on the paper what the title is, and then I write the B followed by the 2 numbers or the 4 numbers. So I know exactly what bin to locate it in and what number it is in the bin. Then I also write down the size because I do have multiple sizes of each item. I also write down a brief description just because as soon as I pull it from the bin, it's in a bag, and then I check the bag. I also write down the total profit so that I have that for the end of the year, my taxes. Now I'm going to show you how I do it if I sell more than one thing to one person. So it's pretty much the same exact thing, but I go piece by piece. So I write down a brief description, I write down the bin number followed by the item number, and then the size, and then I also write down how much that entire bundle sold for, what I actually got out of it. So if it sold for $30, I get $24 out of it, so I write that down. But then I go through each individual one from that list, and that's what I do. I write them all down, brief description, followed by bin number, followed by item number, followed by size. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos. I try to do about 3 times a week, and don't forget to enter my giveaways in case you haven't. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Thanks guys, bye.